Welcome back. Wow, my channel has been very dry these days because I'm kind of busy, but I'm back now online. So my topic today is attraction. How to attract good into your life, not only to attract man, to attract, in short, anyone that sees your face will be glowing, be like, oh, I want to know who is this. I want to know this beautiful lady or this beautiful man that is going. I want to know. So that is what I want to talk about today. So what are we going to get? This is what I make for myself. This is a spray. Okay, so I made this spray. As you can see, my cinnamon, everything is inside. So guys, my lovers and my subscribers, get a cinnamon stick. Okay, get a cinnamon stick, just one. Okay, just one cinnamon stick. Then you get yourself a bay leaf. Yes, get 3 bay leaves. Come in. This is bay leaf, this is my cinnamon. And then what are you going to get again? Get yourself what? Cloves. All these items is not cost, because some of us are waiting for when they ask you to go and do 1 million. You want to do 1 million work. That one you think, but simple remedy works. This is clove. You see, 3 items like this is okay for this work. So get this 3 items. Then I want to use this bottle because I don't have extra spray bottle. So for example, I'll be using this one. But okay, when you get a bowl like this, then you first of all you put the clove, pray, declare that then you put, then your bay leaf, you pick it one, because it's 3 bay leaf you're going to use for this remedy. You pray, you put, then this your cinnamon stick, you pray, and also you put it inside the bottle of water. I don't want to put it because I already made mine, and this is not the bottle kind of one I want to use because it's a spray. So that is, if you want to go out, that is when you are going to use it after taking your shower, doing your makeup. It's not going to ruin your makeup. Okay, so this is it. It's not going to, just spray it like this in your face. Just spray it, pray, then you start going. You will come back and comment. Perfectly it works. So after preparing this, we are going to leave it for 3 good straight days. That 3 good straight days, don't touch it. Don't keep it on the floor. Keep it somewhere that is no floor. No one will see it. Only you know that you kept something there. Okay, once in a while, that place you kept it, go there and stand, make a prayer. That you're preparing this for your own good. Now you're not preparing it to hurt anyone. That is for your own favor. Because when the thing starts working, you say, so I don't go to juju. No. But before I forget, please, before you bargain any attraction remedy, okay, please cleanse yourself. If you want it to work perfectly for you, yes, cleanse yourself, okay, before you bargain in any spiritual things, please, so that it will work, so that it will not delay you. After cleansing yourself, maybe you want to do the next day, cleanse yourself like today, for example. Cleanse yourself today before you bargain on it. But please, when you want to perform this thing, make sure you, as a woman, make sure you're not flowing, please. Don't do it after the flow. Then you can prepare your remedy, or before the flow, or then you prepare it and keep. Okay, so that is what I want to say. So in life, you cannot just sit at home and be looking for the miracle to fall on top of you. The more you struggle, the more you do things to make way, so shall God also make way for you. Because God Almighty is in heaven. He's saying that you are trying for yourself, that you are not hurting anyone, that is for your own good. Yes, do this spray. It works. This is it. This is mine. I've been using it. Okay, spray it. If you want to go out, you spray. Don't spray it in anyone's face. Only you except if your friend wants. Either you share my video or you tell he or she to do it. Okay, so I will be dropping more video about how to use cinnamon stick for more attraction, okay, for more favor, attraction, and so many other things. It works perfectly. You know, cinnamon, especially cinnamon stick, it attracts more good things. It attract more favor. So for this cinnamon, people are looking at it common spicy, but it works perfectly. Okay, so cleanse yourself before you begin in any spiritual tips, my friends and my subscribers on here on YouTube, please. Okay, this is it. It's a very simple remedy. It's very simple. The items is not that hard to get in the market. Highest in Nigeria money, 2,000 is okay. You can go and get it. 2,000 is even too much. You can go and get it. I know things are very hard now and things are costly, but go and get it and you come back and testify. It's a spray, you know. When you want to go out, you spread. So I will be stopping here. My video is not going to be long. Please, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please like and subscribe. I'll be dropping more videos about cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder, because cinnamon is for attraction. That is why I added it on this my spray, my attraction spray. Okay, so I'll be dropping. So bye bye. Thank you.